Right, so hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use this bit of software called Tuneuputilities. It's absolutely brilliant for speeding up your machine, because I've only got 1.3 GHz processor and around about 512 RAM, and it's completely sped up my laptop by loads. It loads Photoshop, CS5 extended like nobody's business, and the good thing about it is portable. So watch the following video, guys. Right, so as you can see, this is our startup screen. First of all, it's picked out some things already wrong with my system. You know, you can increase your performance, and it shows you all the problems that's wrong with your machine. Right, so I'll just show you around some of the stuff with this. You can find out if your machine is fully optimized by looking at this little bar down here. As you can see, I've got a little bit missing, but that doesn't really matter. The good thing is, guys, if you're going to use a big program that takes a lot of processing power, you can use this live optimization, which instantly either speeds it up or it can slow it down. It can slow down programs to make it faster. So here, I'll show you a bit more about this program. You can optimize your system for performance. So the first thing you'll probably end up doing is this: accelerate system startup and shutdown. You just have to, it shuts down unwanted programs at the start of Windows startup. It asks you a couple of questions. I'll show you these now. It's very, very good, this bit of software. I've only got 1.2 GHz processor in my laptop, Intel Celeron M, and 512 meg of RAM, which isn't a lot, but it still runs Photoshop and Sony Vegas like anything, which is quite unusual. So when this loads, I'll show you just some other things about it. You can instead of using your control panel to uninstall programs, you can use this and uninstall unneeded programs. Disable startup programs, which is pretty handy because it tells you the amount of load that it puts on the system, like high, medium, and low. Disable programs, that's the same as that pretty much. You'll configure turbo. Turbo mode is pretty handy. If your system is pretty slow and you're using a program that needs a lot of processing power, you can cheat and use this turbo mode. You press your turbo mode before you load up the program, then you just load up the program and it'll load a lot faster. The things it does is it'll make your appearance of Windows a lot lighter on the processes, so it speeds it up. So this isn't loading. No, it's loading. The good thing about this is it cleans your registry and it defrags your registry as well. If you've got some shortcuts on your computer and they're broken, it'll instantly get rid of them. You can accelerate system start and shutdown, and you can defrag your hard disk instead of using the standard Windows defrag. Right, so I'll show you some other stuff. You can gain disk space as well, which is pretty handy, because if you've got old Windows backups that you don't need, you can delete them, because Windows backups take, first time I used this program I had over 11 gigs of Windows backups, which you don't need. You can also safely, they've got shredder. There you go. This is your shredder. It blitzes the file, and you got what I can remember. You got the MOD shredder, and then you got this guy's shredder. And as it says here, it gives you 3 options for deleting your files or folders so that they cannot be restored even by experts. Alright, so as you can see, not a very big hard drive, but I can deal with that. Oh, backups, as you can see. It even gets rid of, if it's noticed you've got a Windows function that you don't use, There you go. I've got one Windows program that's using up 502 meg that you don't need, which is pretty handy. So, you know, I'll get around to that at one time. So, if you have problems with your computer, such as you got a dodgy hard drive, just to make, and it can also check if your hard drive has errors on it. Can just sort out general Windows problems. It can do a lot. This bit of software, it's absolutely brilliant, as I said. Alright, so here we go. We can fix common problems. Check hard disk for errors. It's also got its own like mini task manager on it, so you can display and close running processes. You can restore deleted files if you've accidentally deleted them and you need them back, and you can just show you system information. The good thing about this bit of software is it's portable as well, so you can use it wherever you go. So if you're like out and about and like you have your own user on this computer, you can start this bit of software and instantly speed up the PC by what 50 to 60%. The other good thing about this bit of software, it's not just tune-up software. It's also, you can also customize Windows, which is pretty handy. So I use this a lot because, like, as you can see now, I've got a completely different theme on my computer now, red and grey, which like goes with some stuff on my computer. So first thing is you can personalize the appearance of Windows. You can change up the appearance of icons, the system elements. You can modify Windows settings. You can personalize the way it behaves. You can change the animations. You can change the system. You can change the start menu, like options. And the good thing is you can change your boot up screen and your logon screen to how you want it, and plus you can find some on the net by clicking here. New themes for free, and you can find like different boot files and everything. So I'll just show you some other stuff with this. Disable programs. As you can see here, it tells you how many the ones that aren't, the ones that are causing system load, and the ones that are already disabled. Which I've got 8, but I've got disabled them 3. So if we just go here, let's accelerate system startup and shut down. Just click on it. Bear with me, guys. Especially with a laptop like this. And the good thing is, if you don't want to actually start up the utilities thing itself, you can just go into the install folder and grab the individual programs as it comes. You just click on the program name, and hey presto, you've got it all there. So guys, this is going to load, so what I'll do is I'll come back to you when it is finished. Right, so here we go, guys. As you can see, it's loaded up. I'm just going to take my glass off because my eyes are hurting. So as you can see now, it's just starting the analysis, and it will show all the options for optimizing system start and shut down. So here we go. My laptop is pretty good. There's only one recommendation for optimizing system startup. So if we just go to details, and it'll tell me what's going on. It's you. Oh, it's one bit of software. I'll just, you know, get rid of this. Optimize all. Here we go. It's just optimizing it now. Alright, so guys, I hope you're going to be using this bit of software, because it took me a long time to find this, and as I said in my previous video, this is quite, there you go, it's now done it, there you go. So as I said, I hope you use this bit of software, because it's absolutely brilliant. I know there's others out there on the market, like the one you get when you get AVG, but this one is just better. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I will speak to you soon.